Beautiful large studio in Briarwood. This is entrance. This is the living room. A large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. It's kitchen here. And that's the exhaust on the top. Closet here. Another closet here. Bathroom all renovated, very clean. Beautiful apartment. Elevator, lounge in a building. Near banks, restaurant, grocery shops. Living super. Very close to train station. The E and F train, Union Turnpike, QRN station. The apartment is very good price, gonna go very quick. If you wanna view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.